there, future superheroes. This is the Chores Champions podcast where we unleash the power of teamwork to tackle messy mountains and laundry avalanches.
That's right. Today we're digging deep into the world of chores, not just picking up dirty socks. Although, let's be honest, that's pretty hard too. We're talking about why helping your parents with chores is seriously awesome.
Yes, chores. You know those things that sometimes feel like a never-ending mountain of dishes or a laundry avalanche in your room? But guess what? I agree. Chores are actually pretty awesome.
Hold on. Awesome? Are you sure about that? Folding socks and cleaning toilets doesn't exactly sound like a superhero adventure.
Oh, but it is. Think about it like this. Our homes are like giant spaceships, and our parents are the captains steering us through life. But guess who the trusty crewmates are? Yep, you and me.
Okay, I'm doing the spaceship analogy. So chores are like rocket fuel?
Exactly. When we do our chores, we're helping the spaceship run smoothly. We're fueling it with teamwork, responsibility, and even a little bit of magic. Seriously, have you ever tried cleaning a room while singing karaoke? It's like instant motivation.
I see your point, but why can't the captain, aka our parents, just do everything themselves? They're adults after all.
Good question. Well, imagine the captain trying to navigate a galaxy alone, doing all the repairs, cooking all the meals, and cleaning up after monster attacks. Those things are messy. It would be impossible. That's where we come in. The mighty minutes. We're the super crew ready to lend a hand and keep the spaceship sparkling.
Here's another analogy. Imagine your parents as busy bees buzzing around all day. They're at work, cooking meals, maybe even rescuing kittens from trees. Okay, maybe not the last one. Point is, they got a lot on their plate.
And that's where you come in, our tiny titan of tidiness. By stepping up and doing your part with chores, you're like a magical chore fairy with way cooler clothes, of course. You're lightening their load and making their day a million times brighter.
But wait, there's more. Helping out isn't just about being a superhero to your parents, even though they totally think you are. It's about learning super cool skills. Folding laundry, boom, instant origami master. Vacuuming, prepare to conquer the dance floors with those moves.
Okay, I'm starting to get excited. But what if chores are like super boring? Like vacuuming the carpet or mopping the floor?
Hold on, don't knock it till you try it. Turn on some tunes, make a game out of it. Or even invent your own chore-themed superhero persona. Suddenly, vacuuming becomes Captain Clean Suit, battling dust bunnies, and mopping mighty mopper. Getting rid of and killing the monster bacteria crawling through your floors. And don't forget the teamwork bonus. Chores are like a secret mission you and your family tackle together. You're building a team spirit that could rival the Avengers. Plus, when everyone pitches in, you get that delicious feeling of accomplishment and maybe some extra dessert.
You know what? I kind of like the sound of that. So, what are some easy ways to be a mighty mini helper?
Tons. Ask your parent how you can help. Set the table, take out the trash, feed the pets, water the plants, tidy your room. Every little bit counts, and remember, even the smallest space cadet can make a big difference on the spaceship.
So remember, even the smallest chore can make a big difference. And hey, who knows, maybe one day you'll invent a robot army to do all the dishes, but until then, embrace your inner chore champion.
That's right. Share the responsibility, share the fun, and share the high fives. Because when it comes to chores, teamwork makes the dream work.
Remember, Chore Champions, every task you tackle is a win for the whole team. Share your favorite chore hacks and family cleaning challenges with your friends. Let's build a chore conquering community. Thank you!
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, let's keep our room clean, our dishes sparkling, and our floors free of dust and bacteria.